My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Wgbkr. Wgbkr. This ransomware may attack Windows files, and when the attack of the ransomware is successful, the ransomware starts encrypting the files. Before the ransomware actually attacks the system, there are no problems opening any file types. However, after the ransomware is entering the computer, it starts immediately encrypting and modifying the files that people store on their systems. So pretty soon they realize that something bad has happened and that they cannot open their data anymore. The ransomware affects these files, and then after the encryption process is successful, it starts adding this Wgbkr extension to all these files, so people cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not ever pay that ransom. So this is the scary message given by the ransomware. The main text of this message is to scare people into paying the ransom, but once again, please do not pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware immediately, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get it on the official website Wgbkr.com. Download it using this green download Combo Cleaner button. After the program is successfully installed, start the application and begin researching your device with its help. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives the quick scan option. You need to click on the Start Scan button. However, the program will first of all update its antivirus database. This is crucial for proper detection and removal of this particular ransomware from your computer. So while the updating anti-malware database is taking place, you may pay attention to some of the features in Combo Cleaner antivirus. The premium version has got this excellent feature called anti-ransomware. It can help you protect your files from being damaged or encrypted by any other sort of ransomware in the future. You may add some protected folders on your hard drive, and the information that is stored in these folders will never be encrypted by any other ransomware. So keep in mind that this feature works great, but it is the part of the premium license only. The update of the antivirus database may take less than a minute or a bit more than 1 minute, depending on the speed of your internet connection. So after the program successfully updates its antivirus database, you'll see the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. And of course, the fact that this particular Wgbkr ransomware has affected your files means that your current security software failed to protect your data from being damaged, and it actually failed to protect your computer from the ransomware intrusion attack. So if this ransomware has damaged your files, it's definitely a good reason to reconsider your choices in terms of the security software into which you entrust the safety of your device. Speaking of Combo Cleaner, there are two versions. One of them is for Windows computers and the other one is for Mac computers. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, start scanning your system with Combo Cleaner. And then at the end of scanning, you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. So this will give you a chance to get to that specific location of each detected threat, and you will be able to remove all these threats either manually, by manually deleting these threats, or automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the software and getting rid of all these threats automatically with the premium license. And another good thing about premium license, as we said, is that your system in this case will be protected, and all your files that you store on the hard drive will be protected from any other possible ransomware attacks.